Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Bend the Trend Styling Studio. My name is Afroz. In this video I am sharing with you guys princess cut kurti cutting and stitching, and this is a short length kurti. So for that I am taking 2 meter of fabric. I'll cut both front and back part separately. So firstly I'll cut the back part of the kurti. I fold fabric once. I'm taking kurti length 35 inches including seam allowance. Half shoulder I'm taking 7.5 inches. Armhole is 8 inches. Chest part is 9.5 inches. Make armhole curve. From the shoulder, mark a point at 14 inches for waist and 21 inches for hip. Waist is 8.5 inches and hip is 10 inches. Neck width I am taking 3 inches and neck depth is 5 inches. I'll make square neck for back and for front as well. And now I'll cut it. Make small cuts so that it's easier for stitch. And now I'm going to cut the front part of the kurti. This is 2 layers of fabric. I'll mark 1.5 inches from the open side. And leave this 1.5 inches fabric and place this back panel on it. I'm taking 1 inches fabric extra for princess cut seam allowance. Here I am leave this 1.5 inches fabric and mark for the front neck. Neck depth I am taking 6 inches. Make front armhole curve. Now I'll cut it. And now I'll make the princess line. Take half armhole around 5 inches, and here I'm taking 4 inches. Join these points and cut it well. Place these parts together and make a stitch. So I have stitched both princess line. Later I trim these extra fabric, and now I'll make this center line. Fold the fabric like this and make a stitch. So I have finished these center line, and now for finishing the neck, I'll cut this strip. Place it here and make a stitch all around the neckline. Similarly, finish the back neck. So I have made both front and back neck and shoulders as well. And now I'll mark 5 inches from downwards. I have this strip. I'll place it here and make a stitch like this. Join both part together, and I'm leaving 5 inches fabric from downwards. So I have attached both part together, and now I'm going to cut the sleeves. Fold the fabric twice. This is 4 layers of fabric. Sleeves length I am taking 7 inches including seam allowance. Half sleeves round I am taking around 6.5 inches and 1 inch for seam allowance. Now cut it. So with this, cutting sleeves is complete. I have this strip. I'll place it into the wrong side of the kurti, sleeves, and make a stitch. I cut this strip for the buttons. Place both parts together and stitch like this. I have made both sleeves. As you can see, just fold this strip and stick with buttons, and now join both sleeves in kurti. So I have attached both sleeves, and now make a stitch of fitting. And now finish the bottom and the sides of the kurti. So with this, princess cut kurti is now done, and this is how it looks. If you want, you can attach buttons on it. So that's it. That's the end of the video. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. Thank you.